I think my refrigerator is on a diet. What do you guys think? Yep, I think so. We are stocked. Lettuce, carrots, celery. Beautiful watermelon. There's the big one that you saw us slice. And there's some up here. It's delicious. Yummy. And look at this. Cantaloupe. Blueberries, blueberries. Strawberries, strawberries. A package of tofu, banana, leftover tempeh dinner, cantaloupe cut, another head of lettuce that won't fit, some dates, some lemons, and I showed you here, we got, these are, what are these called, guys? Help me out. Can't think. I'll remember after. It's orange inside. Anyways, oranges, avocados, cherries, lemons, more oranges, can't think. I showed you lettuce, and here we have some radish greens, carrots, celery. What do we got down here? What goodness is down here? We've got kale. We've got peppers. We've got these yummy sweet tomatoes. We've got lettuce cut and ready to go for our salads. And we have mushrooms. This is the most healthiest my refrigerator's ever been. What do you guys think? Today is a good day. Look at those sprouts, Mel.